Today we're going to talk about nationalism and the consequences for corporate strategy. The US government has just approved a package of $52 billion subsidies for producers of microprocessors, basically for the electronic industry. This is an unprecedented move. It's a move that shows the willingness of the US government to bring back manufacturing and to compete with China on the microprocessor industry. A lot of new investments have already been announced responding to this. The White House says that this amounts to about 40 billion of investment. But this raises a lot of questions for us. What does it mean for corporate strategy? What does it mean for companies? It means that the geography of global investments is changing. It means techno-nationalism. It means that geopolitics is becoming a critical factor in deciding where to invest and how to invest. Basically, funding from the US government and the European Union and China is today driving an array of new investments in the electronic industry. What are the consequences besides the geography of this that is changing? So more manufacturing is going to go to the United States. Intel has announced new investments in Europe as well. There's a new factory being built in Germany, for example, also responding to subsidies from the European Union. But what does it mean in general for corporate strategy beyond the electronic industry? The implication is we need to think more in terms of corporate diplomacy. It's becoming more and more important to understand the geopolitical environment and the political environment at the national level when deciding our strategy. What can we do for that? We can invest in intelligence and we can invest in stakeholders management. What does it mean? It means to have people and departments that do research and understand geopolitical trends, that can predict or try to predict these trends, and also establish long-term relationships with key stakeholders, governments, organizations, chambers, trade unions, local communities. Why is that important? Because in that way we can acquire critical information and plan our strategy for this new world in which the geopolitical and the political matters a lot more than it has been in the past 20 years.